Negotiation tactic that we use to get super cheap prices for our products and can save your business thousands of dollars. First, go to 1688, which is very similar to Alibaba, but it's for local buyers in China. This website is all in Chinese, so translate it into English from the Google Translate option. Then go ahead and search for your product. Now the reason we are going to 1688 instead of Alibaba is because they oftentimes have cheaper prices than the suppliers on Alibaba. But because there's quite a large language barrier, you don't necessarily have to go with these suppliers. But you can use this as a negotiation tactic for the suppliers on Alibaba. Get some codes from supplier on 1688 using the Google Translate. They will likely quote you cheaper than your Alibaba supplier. Take screenshots of the codes that you got from 1688 and send them to your Alibaba supplier so that you can use that as a leverage to get a cheaper price. We have used this tactic hundreds of times, and oftentimes you'll be able to get much cheaper prices from your suppliers on Alibaba as a result of showing them proof that you are getting it cheaper from 1688. Follow us today and start saving on your Amazon FBA products.